Alright, what's the deal? What's going on YouTube? Oh, a bunch of people on here already. SK, Ted, Tony, Tough, Sparks, Brown Boy, Nest Child, Yogi. You guys are the real ones, the real early ones. Oh man. Oh wait, Discord's not on here.
Are you looking for this gold cells?
In a minute. I gotta fix my echo that I'm hearing again. Discord, you guys hear me? Okay, now you hear me. I know. I see it. Discord, you guys hear me? Okay.
Hello.
You have buy stops, Wix. People might think you're gonna buy the stream.
Hello, my friends. How are you?
Good morning, good morning, good morning to you.
Good morning, Mr. Wicks. How are you today?
Surviving. How are you?
I'm that's right. Good, man. Missing you.
Can we go bullish yesterday on gold? I'm trying to figure out where this range 2 is.
Who traded gold today?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I also made a trade today, but it got failed because I didn't made the TP just stop loss, no TP, and it triggered my TP. Just where was my stop loss and
Sheesh.
finish. I have a question about the that challenge of FTMO. Can you answer me, Vix?
Sure, I'm just not an expert on them, but yeah. I'm not an expert on funding
Just
challenges. I just have my preferences. But yeah, sure. What's your question?
my question: if I have a like a funding account and it has 100K in it, and if I make like $10,000 in it, then what are the chances that I can withdraw that money? How much money that I can withdraw from there?
Oh, you gotta ask somebody doing those challenges. So, go to. Okay, chat.
I'm not
Let's go.
asking about
Let's
the
go, chat.
challenges.
Who's with FTMO?
I'm not about the FTMO. Any like any funding.
I know every funding company has their
And
own.
yeah, profit split. You
Yeah,
have to go look.
depending on your profit split. So I know every funding has every. Hold on.
I think in the
Is my
first
mic
month
okay
you're
now?
gonna get like 80% in the first month. Then the second one you get 90, I think. I don't know. You have to go look. It says there.
Depends on the funding company you use.
There you go. Depends on the company.
Okay, got it.
You got the swing account. You got the scalping account. Depends.
And it also, I think so. There is a certain percentage that I can risk on that account. I just don't know that, but I think it is.
Yeah, just go to the account and to the company and check the numbers they give you.
What do you recommend? Which should I select? I am a scalper, so which funding platform should I select?
Go with whatever has the least amount of rules and stipulations. And I'm not sure which one that is. You gotta ask chat
Have
because
you?
everyone's in chat doing a whole bunch of these.
Okay.
Yeah,
All of
that's the funding channel on the Discord, man.
you should go. Yeah, hit up the Discord. There's a whole channel for funding for people that are being funded.
Yeah, I'll look it into it. This guy over here, Kylem 2003, is he the controller FX channel owner?
Who?
This guy over here, his name is Kylem
Kyle is
2003.
Kyle is one of the residents here.
Yeah, Kylie is an OG.
Kyle is just somebody on Discord. Why? No, that's not the owner. Kyle is
Okay.
just somebody on Discord. Why? No, that's not the owner. Controller Effects is the owner of Controller Effects. Controller Effects is the owner of Controller
Okay,
Effects.
I didn't see him in this Discord group, by the way. So that's why I'm asking. He just his DP just like looks like him.
Kind of out of it.
Wix, did you took anything on Asia? Asian session?
No, no, I didn't take anything in Asia.
Support and bouncing from it. A very good trade for buy. On 15-minute time frame, gold is bouncing from its 15-minute support. A very good opportunity for buy.
Maybe, but 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 I have range. What are you doing? Back. I have range 1, and I have all of this as range 2 right here, as we never created any
Have you
kind of
bought?
support, below it. So this whole thing is our range 2, and below it, I'm gonna take sells below here. If you got the stream running and you're speaking on Discord, we hear an echo. So either mute the stream or
Who
don't
is it?
speak.
Is it me?
I don't know. I don't know who it is. I can't see the Discord.
Yes, it's you.
I am not. I am not watching the stream. I am just here.
Your voice comes through the stream in Discord.
Yes, because I am on the Discord, not on the like. I am just muting this and turning it on when I have to
Sorry,
say something.
your voice on Discord's coming through the stream.
Am I echoing on the stream?
Nah, Wix, you good?
I gotcha. Spreads on TD on gold right now is 3.5, 3.6, 3.2. Yeah, it's pretty high. It's some volume hit.
Yeah, we need some volume. Right now, everything is just sideways.
Sorry, Wix, where's your sell? I have mine below 18.8.
That 8, yeah, I mean, yeah. I have a zone here. You see 18.8, but I need to see. We were bullish, right? And we haven't had a range 2 breakout yet. We're at range 2 levels.
So
You mean
close
my
below it.
cells below zone, yeah, it would be right here, 1818, that where your zone is, right here.
Okay, thank you.
I'm just looking at the hourly levels. That's why these are two different. This is the hourly. This is the 30 minutes. So the closures are different.
A close below 1818 would be good, no, for a range.
Oh, we
two.
gotta look at the closure we just got right here, 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Could drive down here. I didn't even realize it's 8 already. How steep is the switch?
Nice
Hey,
top win.
hey, Messi, mute your mic.
Sorry, brother. I just disconnected and reconnected. That's why it was on. I am just muting the mic.
Awesome.
On the 1 hour, he did close below
I
the
know.
support.
I know. That's what I'm
Yeah.
looking at.
Yeah.
On the 30-minute, it didn't.
Yeah, but on the 1 hour it did. And the
Yeah.
1 hour supersedes the 30-minute. I just want to see how this plays out. Look at this. We opened up.
Very nice
I'm
top
placing.
win so far.
Yeah, I'm
Get a
placing
flip.
the soft stop.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Let me just calculate some things.
If this is the hourly wake up, it looks good to go down.
Oh God, this is annoying. Yeah. Absolutely. Chat. Yeah, this is a gladiator candle. I'm gonna have a sell stop here. So we have range 1 here, we have range 2 here, and we have a gladiator candle closing, breaking us out of this range. Figured just like here, if we close below, if we flip, we're gonna try. As long as we respect this previous hourly high. If we break this previous hourly high, I'm gonna delete stops. But at the moment, this is our sell stop. Right here is perfect. This top wick right here is perfect. It's a strong zone right here. Previously.
You should break the 30 minutes support or resistance easily. It is like on the 1 hour.
Two hours holding. Four hour broke the previous 4 hour and it's leaving a wick. You know, let's see right now. Oh wait, you know
GG.
what? I
Went
haven't
above,
checked. I haven't checked the news. Sheesh.
went
Yeah,
above the previous 1 hour.
DJ.
1 hour.
On DJ, on gold you don't have a sell stop, but on GJ I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I'm gonna delete sell stops here. We broke the previous hourly high. Oh yeah, this is good too. 15:30. Yeah, I'm gonna have sell stops here on GJ too. Hold on, that can't be right. What's my broker look like? Yeah. Sell stop right here on GJ. On the break. For the lows for the hourly wick fill, we broke the weekly and the daily lows. We have range 2 breakouts. We have 1 hour closure below the range, most recent, and a wake up. And we have a 15-minute onion with a bearish close here already. So we break this low. We're gonna drive down. We have a wait. Come on. Here's our sell stop. Break of the current 1 hour, break of the current 15. I have the previous 15 as a stop, so that would be well, let's see where this flips. We're gonna have current candle stops, not previous 15. Current 1 hour stops. Here, the support. Not worried. It's kind of non-existent here on every other time frame except the 30-minute. Oh, wait. Get off my screen. Yeah, like 35, 36 pip stops for fill the Swick for 100, 110.
On the 30-minute time frame, if you go to the if you manage to get in and then you go to 160.9, I'm gonna move to break even because you can reject there, and it's at 10 pips or 16. You're already in profit.
Yeah, that's your advantage points. You go break even, but it's if it flips, it should run. It should tap this little resistance here, minor, and as long as it flips. If it doesn't, we're not in a trade, right? We're not biting the bullet. But as long as it flips, we should be okay. When is controller effects back? He's back next week. Wicks, you have support on the 1 hour when looking back. I mean, honestly, I can find support resistance at every point on the chart, but I'm gonna look at the most recent ones. And
Oh my god.
I'm gonna look through where price drove.
1 hour got disrespected, Wicks.
What was that?
The 1 hour got disrespected.
Let's see. Did it broke up?
Yeah, my broker broke.
No, the 1 hour is still good. Maybe the
Oh, it's still good?
the 15.
Oh, my bad.
The 15.
Ah, that was the 15. My bad, Wicks.
1 hour is still good, but we'll see. We'll see how big stops are here. It's mostly it's mostly placed based off the 1 hour. This is good that it wicks up into this little range because then when it can grab liquidity from here.
All right, gotcha. Thank you, Wicks.
What we'll see right now. Tony Ball, Wicks, you build your PC. I didn't personally do it. I personally picked out the parts. I went on CyberPower PC, picked out all the parts, and then 2 months later, there's a big fucking box in front of my house. Crazy thing is, they just left this shit in the front. Like, dude pulled up, left it in the front. I don't know, it might have been there for like 5-6 hours. You had your chance, Chad. You had your chance to pull up and take it.
Wicks, you can't call and be like, yo, I never received that shit.
Yeah, right? Nah, they'd probably never sell me one again. They probably wouldn't even sell me a power button after that. Gold, so silly. Silly wabbit. This is stressing me the fuck out. Why? Relax. Take it easy. We're in a win streak. I don't want to ruin it. We got a 4-win going. We want to win today. Let's just wait. Pound news, 7 a.m. USD unemployment claims, 8:30. That's an orange folder. Actual currency. Yeah, all that shit's confusing as fuck. Building this shit, it would have taken me fucking days. What's the deal? Where's Naked HD? Allah Hussein. How can I join your Discord? You can join the Controller Effects Discord, and that's where you'll find me. Somebody send Allah a link to the Discord. Naked HD blew something. Definitely blew something. Yeah, that boy was MIA yesterday.
What's your spreads on trader domain?
On gold?
GJ.
2. 2.2, 2.6. It's between 1.8 and 2.6. Breaking back up. This would be like a little 15-minute fake out here. Close above, come back, close below. 30 would still respect 161,500. And then the hourly will start to flip in the second half of this hour. If 15 comes back, closes below here. But, so if you want to be a cowboy, you can do the 15-minute entry here on the fake out. Or you can wait for a better, or a more solid entry here. And the breaks. Break of the lows here. What I need in my life is a rolled joint.
I have mine at 161, 119.
I'm gonna go over there and grab that joint and smoke it then. 161 what?
119.
That's where your sell stop is?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, your broker is different.
Yeah, 161.10. Yeah, that's it. Stops are also 54 pips, so I'm gonna go half risk here. 54 for 100, 2 to 1 to fill this wick. respected the 30 highs. 15 closed above, and now 15's closing back below. Give me a minute.
Nav, are you entering the 5 minute? GJ?
Started off the stream yesterday with a fire track. That shit got copywritten. I knew it would. Fuckers got me. Fuckers got me again.
What do you think, like if you close 15 minutes on gold, if you close bearish, and like a 15-minute onion, expecting a bottom wick for the 1 hour?
Hold on, let me get to the charts. I'm rolling a joint. Are we anywhere close to being activated?
No, we're
Okay.
basically at the sell stop still.
Yeah.
At the sell loss.
Uh-huh. 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 Get my groove back. I think get my groove back. All right, chat. Who's ready for the vibes? They're coming. The vibes are coming. Why do I keep hearing my echo like real low, but I still hear my echo, right? YouTube, you guys hear an echo? It's me. I know it's me. Yeah, right here. I figured it out. That's why we're hearing an echo. It's my fault. Drop a like for the roll joint. Straight cheese. Nab's done for the day? What? What'd you do? You did you hit your limit in banning people? Ain't you worried the 4 hour about to close? I mean, I won't trade the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. Little sick. If you're just a little sick, I ain't worried. If you're a lot sick, I'd be worried. All right, we were talking about gold. Let's see gold.
I was thinking we get a nice gold 15-minute bearish close and then expect to make a bottom wick for the 1 hour. But
I think gold's gonna come
you
back up.
don't have a. And then yeah, maybe.
Gold daily never broke. We respected a strong level here, broke back in range. Technically daily's supposed to be bullish today, huh? So come back up into range 1, we'll start taking those buys.
You don't have a bottom wick though.
Where? On the previous?
Yeah, no, on the current. On trading view, 1 hour. You're on 2 hour.
I understand. Yeah, I understand. I'm on 1 hour now. No, we broke the previous 1 hour highs. I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure that we're not going to be trading this range. So whether it broke, whether it doesn't have a bottom wick or broke the highs won't matter until we get closures back below or closures above here into this ugly range. That's right. Orange folder in a minute.
You still have GJ sell stops?
Yes, they're still up. But it won't be up much longer. I just deleted them. It's just stops or mess. I'm not taking a 70 pip stop. We're gonna look for something better. Here we go. Got some news here. Thing with GJ.
Wix, the reason behind it was we broke the 1 hour support on DJ.
Where on the lows?
The reason why we were taking the trade, it was a breakout.
The reason why we took the trade was we closed below the most recent range. We had the daily broke the previous daily, so I would have switched my bias to bear. The 30 never broke. At that moment, the 30 didn't break the previous 30. We kept respecting. Now that it broke back into range, I think we'll drive up. Hold on, let me get rid of this. They said I'll delete them, but I didn't. Here we go. We might drive back up. And the 15-minute created an onion. So at that moment, right there, see the 15 close respecting this? Created an onion. So if we came up and flipped, it would have been the onion play on the 15 and the 1 hour flip. And the daily having broken the previous daily lows. So just a whole bunch. And it was the 8 a.m. candle, which was the volume into the market. So you put all those together, you were going to get, if it did flip, you were going to get your 10, 15, 13 pips, whatever it is.
Gotcha. Makes sense. All right. Thank you, Wix.
Put a story together. If it convinces you, do it. If your own story is not convincing enough, then stay out. Could have rolled this better. Oh, yeah. Like and subscribe, y'all. Once a stream, I gotta mention that shit. So this is your one and only mention. Like and subscribe. I didn't like my own stream yet. That's crazy. Yeah, subscribe. That's what I really want. How did the news play out here? We had an orange folder. Is it not out yet? What's going on? Ooh. News came out like ass and feet. Gold should fly up technically. Fundamentally. So as gold and GJ moving up. One of you is not telling the truth. Yep. Gold's doing exactly what news says it should. We're not trading news, we're going to trade the formation of candles here eventually. Above here, like, let's hope we get above there and close, because look at
above 34?
Shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, we close above 1834, 1835.
Yeah.
We have nothing but fucking Mr. Clean there. Sorry, Chad, I didn't realize. Ghost over here was blocking me. Just, you know, Wix, your boy's working on a sponsorship deal.
What energy drink is that?
That's what I'm about to do after stream. That's me right there. See this little weird white man right there? Right there. That's me. If you see that motherfucker in your room middle of the night, be like, say what's up to Wix. Yo, Wix, what you doing floating in my room? Yeah, but I don't know. This shit says no sugar, but I'd be flying after this. I'd be seeing sound. I'd be seeing microwaves just floating by when, when I drink this shit. Wicks in his soft drink. Trying to get sponsored, dog. Can you hate on it? It ain't like Snoop D-O double G gonna sponsor my ass, so.
He should.
He should, I know. That motherfucker should. Yeah, we're not doing anything till 9 a.m. That's a note for me.
Eso no bueno.
Yeah, no bueno. That's what I know.
Who's car?
That's what.
Word. Who's in Brooklyn right now? Who's in the Bronx getting robbed? Whose cars?
Me.
Hey, are you really in the Bronx?
What's
No,
stopping
I'm
you, Rob?
sure I live in Milwaukee.
Oh, that's right.
The Kia boys out there stealing more Kias.
Nah, we want these buys. We want these buys.
On GJ, if you get a 30-minute closure above and then a bearish close on the 30-minute too, would you consider that a fake out on GJ?
Let me see.
Yeah, if we come back and close below here, 161 on the 30, yeah, might start because at that point we wouldn't break the hourly highs, right? And we'd be respecting this. So if that happens, it would be like a Wix special, right? You would break
Yeah.
below and then you would respect that. And then if we break these lows, it'll be the Wix special, the celery play coming down. I mean, you'll see the candle. It's not like, like, yeah, we'll get to 30, but the 1 hour will stay the same. Like the 1 hour candle at that point will change what it looks like and be below. Even though it'll be bullish, it'll be respecting this zone. And once we break that 1 hour low, it'll be a breakup support below range. I'll take those sells. But for now, I'd rather see gold close above on the 1 hour, and the 4 hour will look bullish above here, closing bullish above here. If the 4 hour closes above this little range, it'll be like a little 4 hour gladiator candle, except it'll be a massive 4 hour gladiator candle, and we'll be playing off the smaller time frames, knowing that we're going up. Where we going? We're going up from here.
Where are you going?
Something like that. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. It's alright. We'll be patiently waiting.
Can you go look, please? I know it's a lot, but it's what I saw this week with this type of strategy, like 30-minute closure above ranges and stuff.
What are you talking about?
I sent a message to New York session.
What you talk about, Willis? Hold on. Jeez. Okay, so this was, hold on.
Some I took, some I didn't. But yeah, last week I wouldn't have taken any. So yeah, I still need to work on that, like 30-minute closure. If I see it's good, I should take it.
Better than a 5-minute closure.
But yeah, some are dumb. After I took it, I realized.
I mean,
But some are good.
there's some good positions here, like the 30 here. It's clearly nice position. We definitely got more out of it. Look at the length of this wick. Your ass should have been holding from here to like here. Should still be holding. Actually, probably break even.
Yeah, they all look really good. Kyle.
Not all, but there's a couple of them that are
Yeah,
questionable.
not all. I
Not
know
all of
there's
them,
some
but
close to 4 hour. But yeah, I'm trying to work on like holding
yeah,
a bit more and using like
You know when
previous
when
and
that
stop.
came for me, when I was on like the break-even stage.
Yeah, I'm at break even. I can't get out. I win 1 week, then I lose.
Yeah, that's the stage where you're like trying to narrow down the night, where you're taking like the right trades, but you really have to narrow down the nuances in order to be profitable. You're trying to figure out where to cut the losses, where to let the wins run. It's very nuanced. But
I never lost a lot. Like most people, like at the beginning they lost. I never did that
yeah,
because I researched well and yeah,
I mean,
I
yeah, in
wanted to take this
2022,
course
you
serious.
should not be getting fucked with. You should be like, you should not be getting scammed. You should be on the right path. If you just do
Yeah,
your due
that's exactly.
diligence and you
yeah.
know, make sure you search stuff and look it up and see what's working, what's not. You should not be getting scammed in 2022. Your road to success is should be cut down significantly from what it was a few years back.
Like 5 years ago, yeah, 6 years ago.
Yeah.
Like when you guys started, you guys didn't have anything on the internet, really, you know.
Yeah, well, we did. It was just a whole bunch of scams. It was the road to perdition. That's what it was. You were destined for punishment and eternal damnation.
Yeah.
Until price action really became more mainstream. But yeah, right now the road is much simpler. It just doesn't mean you're gonna learn to apply stuff a lot sooner. It's not easy. Want to know what I heard? I heard something dope yesterday. I wrote it down. Let's share. We can't both hope for an easy life and an epic story. So when your trials are trivial, so are your accomplishments, right?
Yeah.
If what you did was questionable, everything you've accomplished and succeeded at can be questioned as well. So, you know, if you don't have an easy life and shit is hard, man, that's gonna be one epic story to tell your kids or tell your grandkids or to, you know, to
tell everybody, you know,
when you get older.
Motivation that there is hope in this world, that you can change your life, you know.
Yeah, nothing epic about an easy life.
No.
So, don't question it. Don't be like, yo, why me? Why is this happening to me? You know? Be excited because this story is gonna be great, right?
Yeah, it's just building onto a better story.
Yeah. Like all the hard shit in the future is like literally all everything you're gonna laugh about. All the hard shit today is everything you're gonna laugh and enjoy about. You know, laugh about and enjoy. You're not gonna be over there like, you know,
stressing about you're a break-even trader for a whole year, losing. Like, none of that's gonna matter.
yeah, in the grand scheme of things, it's really a minor worry. But you're on your way. Like the break-even stage is that's that stage, boy.
Yeah.
That's that, yo. I'm taking bigger losses, but I'm taking lots of wins. Like you're confident enough to know what you're doing, but for some reason, some strange reason, it's not making you truly profitable. And it's frustrating. It can be more frustrating than losing because you're losing.
Yeah,
You're losing. You don't. You know. You don't know what you don't know, but right. You know. You know what you know right now, and you know what you don't know. And what's up, fellas? Who can enlighten me with COMEX? What? Who can enlighten me with COMEX? Not me. I'm not sure what that means.
So did you take a trade yesterday during the
Asian?
news?
No, I was out. I was out all day yesterday. I didn't do nothing for FOMC. I honestly I missed like four. There were so many trades. There were so many setups yesterday. Lots of positions until like throughout the whole New York session.
Yeah.
But,
yeah, there was.
Honestly, I was out and about. I had a great time yesterday. I don't.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
I mean,
it
doesn't really matter at the end of the day because we'll just follow the trend from FOMC from yesterday. We'll just keep continuing that trend till next FOMC and we'll be good.
Like, Don posted a trade that I didn't get like 30 minutes after we got off stream yesterday.
Who posted a trade?
Bearish close.
Who posted a trade?
I posted Don, the win. Like 30 minutes after we got off.
He posted a signal?
No, after it already he won.
Oh,
wait,
okay.
Doing Discord. He took this like.
Yeah, I fell asleep as soon as the stream ended. I was trying to sleep before FOMC.
I already sent it.
Yeah,
I don't know where his stops were, but like I got a bit confused because the 4-hour was a bit bullish. Like,
guys, if anybody wants to come in here and speak your mind, I'm not stopping. No one's muted. So like, you guys control your own mics. If you want to hop on the Discord and don't be out of pocket, you know. Kyle's just the only him. Vince are just the only ones that are not shy. So.
I asked him if he could talk about it, but he didn't respond to me. If he could explain.
Yeah. Give me 1 sec. Let me go back to. I just seen people posting comments in this New York session. Okay. This is a trade that Don took right here.
I got a bit confused, and then the 1 hour also he got it after the 1 hour closes.
Huh. We took a buy here. Wait. Right? This is the candle we took a buy on.
Yeah, it was after you ended stream. After, yeah. It's on his Insta. You can check it out. I'm pretty sure it was there. And also the 1 hour.
Yeah, hold on. Trying to see if we broke daily highs at that point. Did, huh? I don't know. He would have explained it. Maybe it was a fake. Was it a? I can only see this as a fake out back in range on the higher time frame. So for him, if he was thinking this is range, this whole thing is range 1, and then up here is range 2. So if he's marking it up, this isn't yesterday.
No,
So if he had,
I got my water.
yo Vince, I
Okay.
hear you.
Yeah, my bad, Wix. My bad.
All right. So if he was looking at this, right? This would have been range 2, and from here to here would have been range 1, so we closed above. And then we broke back in range. Yeah, I mean it would. Here's the thing, I can't say there's something wrong with that because he's been trading on the higher time frames, right? For this whole vacation, like he was sending out daily signals, and so if this is range 1, and then we broke up above range 1 into range 2 here, and then we started breaking back into range 1, we could have had sell stops right there on the celery, which would have been at around 1828, 720, or he could have waited for the 30 to close right here and then take flip here, which would have been 1827, 950. Let me see if he sent out a signal. Yeah, his 1826.9. That would have been right here. Yeah, the break of the 30. So he waited for the 30 to close back in range, and then he took the fake out on a. So it was a range 1 on a bearish day. I mean, it wasn't a range 1 for me, but I guess on a higher time frame, it's a range 1, and you're breaking back in range. So it's solid. If I would have waited for this 30 to close here, and then I probably would have taken more sells below here. Where are we? Right there. Once we close below there, see this? There's a range here at that moment. Right there. And as we're coming down here, if you block all of this out, if we're coming down, we close below range, we could have traded this. But I wasn't on. I got off on this candle right here, this bullish candle, and then all of this happened. We literally had 1 trade, 2 trade, and then today, same thing, another trade, the same range. See how the candles fly through here? Boom, 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 boom. In the future, we could utilize this. And it's coming down here. We're just gonna fly through those ranges again. I forgot I'm holding a joint. We saw the hockey game yesterday.
What hockey game?
Stanley Cup Finals. What you mean? Colorado
I don't watch.
Avalanche. You know what I'm saying? Spank some Tampa
Yeah.
Bay ass. Be like, oh yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's those, you know,
Yeah.
it's those the Colorados. Yeah.
No, I just don't have much time to watch TV ever, and I wish I did. I don't know.
I know you broke daily lows on GJ, but if you get a closure above 162.2, the 4 hour is gonna close bullish above support. It wouldn't be a bad idea to wait for a wick down, then a 30-minute entry, you know, for buys.
Sorry, I didn't mean to ignore you, but I ignored you. What did you say?
I know GJ broke daily lows, but it wouldn't be a bad idea to buy because you had a 4 hour close bullish if you close above 162.2.
So, daily broke the highs, broke the lows. We're gonna be, our bias on the weekly has switched to bearish, right? Because we broke the previous week. Monthly made a top wick, flipped. So, the daily broke the previous day as well. 4 hours gonna close bullish though. And back above range. Can this be the start of a bullish move? I don't think so.
Yeah.
Hold on. Well, so I would have my bias switch to. I would have my bias switch to. I would have my bias switch to bearish here and a range 2 breakout for a bullish move. So now you figure out where's your range 1s, range 2s, right? We have range 1 here. We have, let's make this a little more clear. Right, so let me bring this here. Because this was a, hi baby. What's up? So yeah, I would have range 1. This was a resistance. This is a support right here. Made a range. Let's get rid of this. Too many lines on here. What are you eating? What is that? Cookie? That's a cookie. That means cookie. That means cookie in Russian. Yo. Say it to my face. Say it to my face. Oh, it's chocolate cookie. All right. Easy. I got you. Oh. I'm like, what you eating? She's like, cookie. But she says it in Russian. And I was like, that means that's cookie. She's like, no, it's not cookie. And then she'd be saying it in Russian. I'm like, that's the same thing.
Damn, my pen just died.
Know what that means? Hold on, I gotta get my pen. Sorry, Chad, but I got kids. I gotta deal with. All right, much better.
Hello, someone's in the jungle, man.
Shit is dope. Oh, I want a parakeet. I want a parrot. Love jungles. Who was that? Who was making that weird noise?
It could have been my vape.
It makes
I
jungle
know.
noises? That shit was not a vape. Me, Chefx, how was your trading this week? It's good. We're undefeated this week. We are undefeated on streams this week. We're 3-0 on streams this week.
How is it, Wix? Undefeated, never lost.
Undefeated, never lost. This week, never lost. Huh.
Yeah, it's gonna feel so weird when Dunk comes back.
Well, I'm being happy as hell because I'll be able to like roam around, roll a joint when I want to. Just, you know,
Yeah, you're
Kinda.
not like.
I
to,
can't
like,
like focus in on a lot of stuff because I'm like all over the place. I gotta you know lock in, and I haven't been able to get like really locked in. The 4-hour close. Wow. Oh. Hmm. Well, the 4-hour closed. No, daily never broke the lows. It's looking like it might flip and break the highs, but expecting this level still. 4-hour. Back below this range. I mean, this isn't bad on the 4-hour. Looking really nice. 1 hour is respecting this resistance here. It's not breaking up into range. Huh.
If I get a 30-minute bearish close, I might take sells, expecting to make a 1 hour wick,
You were just
a
asking me
4-hour
about
wick fill
buys.
on gold.
Yeah. You were just asking me about buys, no?
No, that was GJ.
Oh, okay.
On gold, I have buys above 1834,
Yes.
35.
Yeah, I mean, we respect this here. We close bearish here on the 30. It'll be an onion.
You have a lot. You have like 4-hour close bearish for a wick fill, 1 hour no bottom wick, and you didn't close and you didn't break the 1 hour high, the
Yeah.
previous one. 30 minutes fake out. You can. Oh no, not fake out.
So I'm looking at gold on the 4-hour. It's dailies.
Are you thinking of getting in on the 4-hour?
I want to see. Yeah, but it's a 4-hour candle, so I want to see how it starts forming here right now. If we start getting close to flipping on this candle, yeah, I'll think about it.
I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes or 15.
I just truly believe if we come back below and it is a bear move, we'll get closures on the small time frames before the 4-hour just starts driving down. So you guys can take the break of the lows here, but I just want a bearish closure somewhere here on the smaller time frame. Hold on a second. How do you determinate? Hold on. How do I determinate? I determine the daily bias based on the daily candles. Correct? Does that make sense? Daily bias, daily candles. So, we can say that yesterday's candle was bullish, right? So we would expect today's candle make a bottom wick and drive up. Correct? Correct. But we had our range 1 breakout here. Right here. We had our range 1. This is range 1. And then we had this whole clean candle. That was our range 2. We don't trade range 2s. We trade the range 2 breakout. So right here, this would have been range 3, or the breakout into this range is what we wanted to trade on a bullish day, because at any time in here it could have rejected and gone up. So once we got a closure below here, we were going to have sell stops there, understanding that If it activates, it's gonna drive down, fill this range, and if it doesn't, we're supposed to come back up on a bullish day, and that's what it's doing right now, going back up on a bullish day. And above 1835 is where we'll take buys. I will not be in this. I wanted to get into this range, but now, like, I'm looking at it, and we can have a fake out to come down. We can have a gladiator candle break in here, fill this up. I don't want to be in the uncertainty. I want to get the 4-hour flip in here. Maybe a closure on a smaller time frame below here. Four-hour breaks on gold is gonna fill that wick to 42.
This looks like a trade, downward trade for sure.
What?
Maybe this looks like a trade downward
Yeah.
take.
The way it's flipping here
I don't
is
know.
nice. The way it's flipping
Yeah.
here, that's so nice.
The only problem is the daily. It's bullish.
Well, you know what?
That's the only thing I find.
If we start breaking the lows right here, I will be in it. 15, look at 15, broke back in range. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of this current candle low. It's gonna be the 4-hour trade, and it's only the first 15 of the 4-hour, right? It just closed here. Look, making a top wick here. Yep, sell stop right here. Let me get to my broker. $1828.4. I'm activated.
Yeah, I'm activated now too.
Short position. Really the 4-hour here. This is trade is based on the 4-hour. 44. So this
I'll be
wick,
going at probably like 1826.
40 for 200 here on the 4-hour. For all you RR monsters.
Yeah, we
Alright.
got a 3-1 going right now.
Alright, I'm gonna go break even at around 1826.9. Be around 13 pips. Oh, and almost a 10. 8.
I'm
10
going
right
break
here.
even.
One more push. Fucker. Yeah.
I'm break even.
You're good,
I might
Alex.
re-enter on the 30 minutes if you get a nice wake up.
What you mean if you get a nice wick up? No more wicks, no mas.
Yeah, no more wicks, just dry.
Alright, I'm gonna close. This is when we hit 10, we'll close half. I'm 9. Hold on.
Yeah, I'm at 10 right now. Wait, not yet.
Fucking people at my door.
Oh, break even. Huh? Break even. Did VIX move to break even?
Got the pool guy here. Yeah, you can just. Hold on, I got you. Hold on. Up. Yep.
You got stopped up?
That's your lock. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
Did you move to break even or no?
Hello? Hello? You guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you move to break even?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, good. No. Yeah. No, I'm not break even here.
No, not yet.
I'm
I'm
gonna
holding
try to get a
20
little
pips.
more out of this.
That's because it's a 4-hour trade and might take a little bit for it to push, but it should.
Just roaming around 7 pips. 8, 9. There's 10 right there. Should give a little more in here. Now I'm going break even. All right. I'm gonna close half here at at 4. I just closed half at 14 pips, and now I'm going break even. That's our winning streak. That's 5 in a row. So that's
Yes, sir.
14 pips
Amazing
bagged,
wins.
then runners.
Amazing.
All you gotta do is just wait and be patient and take your position. Spam some dubs, yo. Y'all got wins. Spam some dubs. We won every single day this week. We took some losses last week. Not a single one. Naked, yo, I missed you.
Naked's in the house.
He waited for a trade. That boy waited for a trade. I used to do that too, Naked. I wasn't jumping on streams till I get a trade, and then I'm like, ah, shit, I gotta win a.
Hopping in there and
What happened
blasting
yesterday?
the-
You blew your account, dog? Yo, 255 watching. I barely got 70 likes. We're fucking, we're smacking gold right now, you guys. You guys.
Nice weeks.
Drop a like. Fuck a like. Give me a sub.
Wix, you're holding half, right?
Yeah, I closed half.
Cool.
It's not about really the money here. It's about being right and winning. And I was fucking right. I love being right. I hate being wrong. There's a certain amount of confidence, certain level of confidence that comes with being right, with seeing blues in your terminal.
Yeah.
Something like
It's a different.
nobody
That's-
can give you. It's something that you've earned and something that's like yours. Once we mirror this again, I'll close another 25 maybe. I wish I had the sound bite though. She's a runner. She's a track star.
For
She
real.
gonna run away when it gets hard. I mean, congratulations to you guys. You guys are the 2%ers today.
We're the 1%ers, Wicks. The winners.
The 1%ers are the guys coming in first. The 1%ers are the Cowboys that were in.
Yeah, they were in since like 1836. Right at the resistance, blasting in.
But we're the 2%ers. And that's good. You want to be
Yeah.
the 2%ers because it's only 2% of the people that are profitable more than a minimum wage at the end of the year. I think that's the actual statistic. 2% of traders can actually show profits that are higher than minimum wage at the end of the year.
Damn, that's not a lot. Like people, you know.
Yes. Oh wow. Look at the I don't know if anyone has Trader's Domain as a broker, but this 4-hour doesn't have a bottom wick. If this fucking thing flips. Sweet, sweet. I mean, that was it for the day. Now it's just this runner. I'm not gonna take another trade today.
Yeah, no.
Runner's running at 20 pips here. Right?
I'm just gonna see if I can re-enter in the 30 minutes. If not, I'm gonna get off.
No, I'm
If you
gonna
reduce it,
I'm gonna
you
hold
get
half
nice.
a position. Oh, I got a full position here. I'm
You're a
gonna hold
cowboy,
half.
man.
You're a cowboy. Only some getting is from Jerry at Subway. Naked, you simp. Fergsta, what happened? I know, Nightbot is slacking. Now, will we hit 200 pips or break even today? Will it be 14 and 200 or 14 and break even? How did they make this shit so sweet and this shit has no sugar? How did they do that? Someone's lying.
Literally.
Like, this shit is way sweeter than Red Bull, and Red Bull got like 40 grams of sugar. This shit says 0 sugar. It's way sweeter than Red Bull. Are we gonna get stopped out?
Are you gonna re-enter if you get stopped out?
I don't know. We'll see. I really don't want to. I want this to run. I don't even want to think about other positions. Like,
Yeah, I just want this to run.
I had
I
a
got
really busy
stopped
day
out.
yesterday, but I had a short night.
I thought it was gonna on the first push.
I mean, it's like I said, it's the 4-hour, right? So what do we say? We're gonna see it
Mhm.
form on the smaller time frames. It's not 4-hour doesn't just flip and drive. You need a lot of volume. Just by the end of the 4-hour, we'll get there, somewhere down there.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this 30 minutes Wakefield and then move subs to break even and then close partials.
I am stopped out.
No.
So 14 pips here, chat, and break even. But that's 4 dubs this week. 4-0 this week. Good shit, everybody. Thank you for coming through and joining. Not letting me drown in my sorrows. This was solid. This was a solid push. We didn't know how much it was going to give, where it was going to go, but we knew it was going to push. And it did. That's the whole.
Yep.
That was the trade. That was the goal, is to take advantage of that candle. Let's our 2 sell stops today. One right here and one right there. This one never activated, drove up. This one came back in range, activated. Boom. You're all winners today.
Nothing for me on gold.
No. Didn't
was that?
close back in the range.
Was a shame. You didn't push right away. You had almost no bottom wake on the 30 minutes.
DJ went crazy. Wow.
Yeah. Really did.
Yeah, gold 4 hour might still push. This fucking thing gave no wick. Still a hold of higher time frame resistance here. Let's see how this 1 hour closes. This 1 hour closes decently below our original position. We'll have more positions. Yeah, I mean, now we wait. Congrats. Congrats, everybody. Took a dub. Closed out just in time, right? Took partials off the table just in time. Now if it comes back up here, that's it. That whole idea is invalid. Very nice job. So proud of me. I want to thank me. Who said that? Who? Snoop? Was that Snoop Dogg?
Yeah.
I want to thank me for believing in me.
Yeah.
I want to give a big shout out to me.
Snoop Dogg.
Market open red. Ooh. Hello, GJ. Hello, GJ. Yeah.
Oh, GJ. That's my
Buys
name.
would be good on gold.
Hold on.
Buys.
Yeah, above 1835. You never broke the lows. This could be a liquidity grab.
It really could. That would be pretty nice, honestly.
You have 50 pips to the wick fill, and you can possibly even break the current high, the previous high.
No, I do not got a bird. I'm sitting outside and there's a bird above me, I think.
Pull a Dumb and Dumber on him. Hey,
I don't
pretty
even know.
birdie. Hello, pretty birdie.
Alright.
Fucking give it back with no head.
That'd be so fucked up.
Right, at that point, the daily will be flipping bullish, and our bias today daily was bullish, and we never broke the lows here. Gold.
Yeah. Yeah,
Thought it was gonna
1830.
drive down, it didn't. And now if we come back up and close above here, we should mirror this fucking old clean ass candle.
Yeah.
This hair on one side of my head. Shit is heavy. Natural gas storage, 10:30. So we're past all the news. What's tomorrow on the news agenda? Gold, red folder. Powell speaks at 8:45 tomorrow.
Of course.
It's Don's boy. Don be calling Jerome on the daily.
Fucking Jerome.
Yo, like, where the fuck are you, bro? You're in what jungle are you in? These birds are loud as hell.
I'm just out in my backyard.
Shoot the motherfuckers.
Apparently the birds like the
Slingshot them.
Bro, I don't even know where they are. Like, I don't even see any birds. I think they're like above me. On the roof.
High above you.
Oh, I see one. On the roof. But, yep, I'm up on the roof.
That boy's definitely. Yo, be honest. You're definitely right now in a park with like a little picnic basket, sitting on a towel right now.
No.
You're definitely sitting on a striped towel right
Sounds
now.
like it.
You're definitely on like an aquamarine white striped towel right now. And you have like birds on your shoulder. You're feeding them out of your mouth right now for sure.
No, I swear.
You're the neighborhood pigeon man. I know it. Where dudes in Jumanji trading.
Now the hot tub decides to turn on. I'm gonna have to just mute my mic.
You're gonna have to finish up your turn in Jumanji before you can speak on here. Or need somebody else to roll the dice.
Yeah, someone got to take my spot for the rest of the day.
Wow. It's crazy. There's no coffee gang on my stream. We got a whole bunch of. You drinking coffee?
Water.
Oh.
I'm drinking coffee.
Aqua gang. Coffee? All right, you're banned. Just said there's no coffee gang on my stream. It's only energy drinks. Only zero sugar energy drinks on my stream. Oh shit, Coffee Life is here. My bad. Hit him with a Dennis the Menace. Yeah, that boy had the meanest friggin'. I don't know if it was a slingshot or what it was. It was a mean one. Sipping some Joe rolling up right now. Jay. $9.42. What we doing here? I would really enjoy gold flipping on the daily. All this range. At some point, we're going to be correcting all of this. Although that was the correction.
Have you guys the profit split of FTMO? The highest profit split. On
Wasn't
one
it
month.
like $350,000?
40, 400,
400.
400 and something in 1 month.
On what? Somebody took 400?
Yeah,
Yeah,
they grew
from
their
STMO.
300 to 700 and like 42,000 in a month.
That's the only way
And
to
they
do it. You gotta take them for whatever they got. Take them for their money. And
Yeah.
If you
just
know
You're
what
gonna
you're
hear
doing,
STMO out of business.
take them because
know
you
what
know what I
you're
mean. If
doing.
you know what you're doing and you can fit within the
Yeah.
parameters, you can really take them for for a lot. At some point, they're gonna have to stop paying you out. I just
Yeah,
haven't
can they
seen.
say like
I just haven't seen anyone get consistent. Maybe there is. Like, let me speak for the majority. For 98% of you, you're not showing fucking 5-6 months of continuous profits before losing that account.
can they
Yeah.
say like no, you're not gonna get paid because
I,
you're
I,
making too much.
I wonder if Ted gave that dude a 20K account. Remember that? I was like, I don't think anyone can show those profits. Somebody did it, but let me just speak for the majority.
Yeah.
You know, that's it.
Can they just deny the payment? Like, can they at some point say like, not we're not gonna
Yeah,
Well, let's
pay
put
you?
it this way. Let's put it this way. What you gonna do about it?
Yeah, because that can
What you
happen.
gonna do about it when somebody overseas that you gave, you know, some money to, tells you, I'm not giving you your money. I'm not giving you your money back. What you gonna do?
I'll be pulling up on them.
Yo, my lens for the camera has like fingerprints all over it. I don't know how you guys, yeah, my fingerprints are all over that bitch. Damn. I don't know how a mugshot of me doesn't just pop up on screen. You're like, you ever see a Wix mugshot that should be like this? I'd be in jail like this going. Fine, fine. Hold on, I gotta get candy for my kids.
I think what Don would do is say to the YouTube chat that we're gonna wait 30 more minutes until they close above 1834, 35.
Fuck, I've been sitting here talking to myself.
Why is no one responding?
Yeah, people just like, it's quiet. Like, okay, maybe that shit wasn't funny. This shit wasn't funny. Jay, daddy duty. That's right. My daughter's been up for 3 hours. That's what I was saying. Between changing a diaper, pulling up my shoulder, and somebody hanging off the cabinet, the kitchen cabinet doors. And getting everybody dressed, making breakfast. I don't know. And then streaming. Gotta concentrate. Gotta lock in at some point. That's why I say after that, I really wanted to just those cells to keep on coming. How's your month so far, Wix? It's good. I'm up. I was up last week. And we had a losing week. I mean, we had a week where we had more losses than wins. But the month's not bad. We're only halfway through. We're undefeated this week. Yeah, I mean, there's lots of movement. If you notice, the candles are much bigger now than they were like a month or two ago. So like we're getting back those large moves. Yeah, getting like 30, 40, 80 pip candles instead of like, 5 to 15 to 20. Just adjust risk accordingly, and you're still ahead of the game. I'm late. You guys make any trades yet? Yeah. We already took a trade. Four and 0 this week.
You never broke the gold high on the 30 minute. It would be nice to have a bearish close.
Yeah, that would be pretty nice, honestly.
I know we wanted to continue here on the monthly and the weekly because there's just shitload of range to head down. But we might start respecting here. If that's the case, if we do start respecting here, you can kind of see it forming on the smaller time frames. Let's just start putting the picture together. I think there's a bit of uncertainty in the level where it's at right now. So we need some clear closures on higher time frames. I think at one point we said this morning that this was a range 1, this was a range 2, and I would trade back into this range, but realistically, we already took a dub. There's no reason to risk. Let's look for this clean range to the left, all of this, and get some closures above here. The hourly's never close, never close, never close. Once the hourly closes above here, we should be good to drive. 30 minutes a different story. 30 minutes much higher. Well, we could take advantage of the same range on the 30, and then just expect the hourly at that moment. If we're filling this in the 30, the hourly will be driving through. So let's do the daily questionnaire. How are you guys doing today? Who's up? Who's down? MM. How many trades you got today? 4, 5, 8. Wouldn't be surprised. Actually, I would be. You've been doing much better. I think you've been taking like 2 trades a day. Up 1%. It's the perfect thing to be up. Didn't get shit this week. What does that mean? Like you didn't take any wins or you didn't take any trades? 1 whole week, 1 break even today. Why break even? We took a win.
He must have not closed profits.
Or I can see a hidden break even because we went 20 some pips in profit. I would expect you to. Yeah, the runners were running 20 pips in profit. I closed at 14.5, so I would expect you to close partials. I think somebody who moved stops to break even the first push at like 8 or 9 might have hit break even.
Yeah, I got stopped up.
And then, because it initially went 8, 9, and then it went 20.
So yeah, he could have been on that wave too.
2 W's, up 4.2%. Very nice.
I don't even know what I'm this week.
Those are senior numbers. Nice. Yeah, I got stopped out on the first push, Wix. Yeah, that's the only way. But like, I think you needed to give it more room on the initial push because it was the 4-hour. Like, you needed to wait for it to get to that advantage point,
Is,
as Marcos calls it.
yeah, since it was the 4-hour, I was afraid it might have maybe went for a bigger wick, top wick on the 4-hour.
It does that, but then you learn your lesson. But the trade needs to. No, you don't need room to breathe, but it needs to play out. You need to get to that first advantage point before you can act.
I'm looking at gold
don't need to. You don't need to let it breathe. You need to let it like take that advantage point. Could have been at 8, 9 pips, and then you're good. Like that's where you should went break even.
Yeah.
Well, we had an advantage point. The first one at 13 something. When we hit it, we went a little past it. I just closed 14.
It would be nice if we get a good closure on gold.
It's funny. I'm breaking it down on the YouTube stream side. Like, hey, oh shit, they don't see this. Whee!
Let's see if second time is the charm.
Yeah, let's see if we can get a closer.
Look, I mean, every time we closed below here, we drove down, closed below here, drove down, closed back in range, drove down, drove straight through here, just pulled back, maybe get a little onion. Got 1 minute. Here.
I went like 15 pips.
Look,
So
if we
then I
close,
can-
this is what we want to mirror, right? We closed right here. We want to do this again. The goal.
This would be nice though. This would be a nice closure.
4 hour respected. Never broke any highs. Closed below range.
30 minutes also. Never broke the high.
Yeah,
And the 1 hour too.
very
Yeah,
nicely.
15 we're
Yeah.
breaking the lows. My only issue was this bullish daily bias, but at some point our bias I think changed.
I'm gonna need a bit more.
See, look at this wick right here. When we closed like this over here, look, last time we closed almost the same level, and that wick came all the way up there. Like, is this really it? I don't know if I'm gonna take this. Hold on.
Don't tell me this is the way.
I would love for this to come back up, break the highs, then I'll place a sell stop at the break of the lows again.
He did tap 1828.9303 on TradingView.
Yeah, it tapped the most recent resistance, but
No, I need a higher wick.
yeah.
Higher wick.
Honestly,
Steeper wick. You can, I don't know. Break of the lows is not me.
For me, the wick was too small. I wanted like at least
It's
15.
not, the thing is, it's not about the wick. You want to take advantage of this previous candle wick as right here when it fills it. But at this point, I think if you enter, it would have to be on the break of the previous candle. It's 5 pips right here. Yeah, I'm gonna enter on the break of the previous candle. Should be able to mirror this. Right here.
So you're gonna enter on the break of the previous 1 hour?
Yes. Hold on. Let's tell you what my...
I have 18.3.
It's gonna be yeah, break of the previous 1 hour, I was gonna say, because there's a wick to the left over here. So whichever one of these is lower. We should mirror this and this. My sell stop is 1826.8. 1.
Yeah. That's re-breaking the 4-hour lows. Breaking the 1-hour previous lows. Should fill that wick.
I really hope I don't get slipped.
Yeah, me too.
I'm in.
I got slipped like a pip.
Yeah, I'm into.
I'm using current stops because last
Yeah, me
is
too. So, I mean, if we come back up and break those, I'm using current stops on the 30.
I'm looking at the 5-minute. If you close above, if you break the 5-minute low, I'm gonna take half.
I like the guitar there. Or whatever that is. Some strings. Oh, we need the 5 to reflip here. We break its own lows. If it does that.
Good.
1 minute has no topic, maybe.
What? The 1 minute?
Yeah. I'm gonna close half if you close bullish on the 5 minute.
It's too soon for me. I'm in a half position. I'm gonna wait for a higher time frame to close. Green's gonna say don't cry. I end up with all these lighters, gathering them around. All right, chat. So, hey, Wix, hope all is well. Brother, is the access to the Zoom the same as the course? I purchased the course over the weekend. Was wondering. So there's no access to Zoom here. We're not doing Zoom. Just Discord. You can hop in on Discord.
So are you using current stops, Wix, or are you using previous?
I'm using previous stops, but we'll see. We'll manage risk depending on where we start closing.
Okay.
King James, because we sold once. We made some money, and now we're basically in the same idea. Not the same position, but the same idea. Once we got some closures below. It's alright. Like, there's nothing wrong with being in drawdown, and if we break our highs, then we know we were in the wrong direction, but we have plenty of reasons to sell. Like,
Nate, now.
what was that?
I'm gonna leave now. I got stopped out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It can happen, but the idea here is same as
Yeah,
here.
yeah. I got it.
Yeah, see, we
You should.
closed.
You should.
We should respect this high, technically, if
You
we're
just made a
bearish.
bigger way.
If we're, yeah, we just made a higher, bigger current candle wick, but stops are at the previous candle. Half risk, but previous candle, and we're hoping to, we're not hoping, we're expecting, because of price action, the market to repeat what it did here, close below, respect this, drive down, close below, onion, drive down, close below, onion, and these have been clean ranges. Don't even drive down. The hourly close bearish. 4 hours bearish. Expecting to fill the wick. If we break highs of the current 4 hour, then we're wrong in the wrong direction. But you know, our stops are the current 4 hour stops, which is the previous hourly. So that's why we sold. We're not wrong until we break these highs, and we're still ahead probability wise. Even though we're in drawdown, we are ahead probability wise. So I guess that's the reasoning for our position, King James. I mean, there's nothing wrong for you to not agree, you know, not be in agreement with us. It's just, it's all perspective, right? But we're only not valid here once the 4 hour reflip breaks its highs, and or the previous 1 hour breaks. That's the only time we're not valid. I mean, if you guys are in a position and you don't agree with it, it's your chance to close out. I mean, like, right?
Yeah, we're in profits, so if you don't like it, close. We're just trusting the higher time frames. Because the lower time frames are showing us that we should be pushing down.
And there's no, like, there's no guarantees of anything here. This is a guarantee-free sport. There's no guaranteed contracts here. Right? Shit is performance-based. You win some, you lose some. The goal is to be right more than you're wrong. Every day, the goal is to come in here and be right. I've accepted that, there's a chance we could be wrong here. I manage my risk, and I'm gonna trust my analysis until I have to manage. At some point, we get some candle closures, and we can manage more risk. We can update our analysis based on a closure. We just had a 15 close, right?
The 15 just closed below support, so.
This isn't support. This is our entry. Hey, don't say and tell you so. You had your chance to close out. If you weren't feeling it. This is how I'm gonna manage risk. So we came up and made a steeper wick, right? And then we drove down again. And then rebroke the lows. So at this point, if we re-break the highs here, I don't think it will make sense to hold much. Shouldn't break this. If it does, and we'll end up closing above there on the next 15, then it'll be a fake out and we might be going up. We need to respect this. Respect this. Next 15 comes down, breaks the lows. Wick special.
Yeah, if this can break the lows, that would be perfect. We should have enough volume to drive then.
Yeah, I don't want to keep it here because I'm not going to have a full position closed here. So, half, full. The key here is really the 4 hour, the higher time frames, and the 1 hour flip, and the rebreak of the lows, and break of the current 1 hour, or the previous 1 hour.
Taking ages, man.
What was that?
Taking ages.
Yeah. It's all right. It's all right. We're at a streak of 5. So maybe our first loss in 5. Don't fucking move. What are you doing? Okay, half my position got stopped out here.
Oh, your position got stopped out?
Half of mine. So I had a half, since I entered at half risk, but half of that just got stopped out. The other half, which is basically a quarter of my normal size, is at minus 40 something. But this, if the daily flips here, this is, we're gonna be bullish. What are you doing? Give me, I got you. Come here. Okay, okay, go. Some sad music. Saddest. Oh, JXDR, I hope she's feeling better. Got 60 pip stop. But you adjust risk accordingly, right? My total risk on the table today was maybe a little over 1%. Hold on. My kid's yelling. So a little over 1% on the first trade, and then I'm at half at FOREX, and I got half risk. Am I supposed to know where all your babies are? I don't even know where all my babies are. Hold on, let me find it. She like, Dad, where's my baby? I'm like, how do I know where the fuck's your baby? I don't know where all my babies are. There's too many of you. Okay, hilarious. Okay, closure. Yeah, that track from yesterday, somebody asked me what the hell that is. Still copyrighted. Fuckers. Yeah, first loss of the week will be. You're letting this hit full stops, bro? Yes. It'll be quarter position if I'm not managing it anymore. Either it breaks the 4-hour highs. It's a quarter risk. Or it doesn't. We're We had a 5-win streak. This will be the first loss of the week. If we break these highs, this will be 4-1. I entered at half risk and closed half when we broke 15 highs. Or when we rebroke our highs. What do you mean? You just ate. I just fed you. What else you want? Alright, fine. Let's go, I got you. Give me a sec, chat. Somebody tell her to hold the line. Or the stream will end too soon. Daily flip, yeah, we wanted to see the daily flip initially, right? When the day opened. Where did the 30 close? I don't know if it respected, it respected this, but didn't respect the most recent resistance. I don't know about managing. Yeah, I'll drive up, there'll be an extra on a quarter position, I don't know. Where's my ruler? 19 pips on a quarter, yeah, I'm fine. I'm gonna keep it at 4 hour. Don't worry, the 30 minutes. I mean, you shouldn't be worried at all. You shouldn't be over risking.
Literally.
The day I start stressing over a trade again, I mean, it's gonna be the day taking a step backwards. I've been stressed over a trade a while. But then again, like I said, you really, there comes a point where you're just like sick and tired of your own shit, and you know that, certain risks should not be on the table. What happened now? I don't have candy. That's what I do on my free time. What does it look like I'm doing, y'all? Okay. I'm dressing up dolls. Here. Almost. Hold on. I got a hand through it. Here. What are we doing? I can't do it. Hold on. How do you do this? This is harder than it looks. Yo, your doll is frustrating me. It's got. How they expect you to do this if I can't do this? Sick. We're breaking highs. I'm trying. Chat, if you have kids, make sure it's boys because they don't play with dolls and they don't care how G.I. Joes are dressed. Yeah, I can't. This is the best I could do. There we go. That good? All right. Yeah. Success. Here. Right? Hold on, you gotta do it in the back so it doesn't come off. That's it, you're good to go. What do you say? You're welcome. Alright, yeah. I was playing dress up with the kids session. What are we doing here? Can we hit stop so we put out of our misery with our first loss of the week?
For real. I mean, I would hope it just drives down. That would be beautiful, but.
Oh, I'm just waiting for. And the chances are the way we flipped it should fill the range above all these wicks. And then maybe if we get the daily flip later on, there's going to be a whole bunch of buys. If you're around for that. What the wick's doing? I don't know. Go back 30 minutes ago, hour ago. Wix is holding a quarter position. I'm just not managing anymore. I'm waiting on this either 4 hour to come back, re-break its highs, or continue driving, or respect below here. So I'm just gonna leave this quarter position running. Probably gonna stay running after the stream unless it hits or re-breaks its highs now. Been here a long time, huh? Eh? Like I can't manage it anymore. Like if I managed it anymore, it would be like it would be pointless. There'd be nothing running. Who's having a bigger than a 5% week?
I had a 14% week,
14%. Nice.
but I caught that massive 80 pip trade yesterday on gold, so that helped a lot.
You had an early entry
Yeah, I did.
before we entered.
I was watching Raj blow all his money away, and then he finally took a buy when it started going up. I'm like, all right, it looks like it's gonna go up, and then I entered, and it went up like 80 pips in like 2 minutes.
Oh, this was way after stream, no? Or this was during?
Yeah, 1 o'clock. This was in the meeting.
I had a blew my account week. Sorry, Vin. I hear that, but like I don't know. Would have been up 7%. I'm up. Be up 5% right now.
Yeah. If I lose this trade, I'll be up 12% still.
You're on a funded account?
Yeah. My first week that I had it was the worst. I lost 7%. And then yeah, I'm really close to passing this 300K account.
Up 5% for the month. No, I'm up 5% for the week. My month is roughly 5% also. 5.8. Last week was a little less than 1%. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this closes here.
Yeah.
Okay. I know Aaron had one too when he took his car out yesterday.
Oh yeah.
So, for anyone that's still questioning what the wick's doing, rewind within the last hour. We explained it like 5 or 6 times, but mainly higher time frame trade. And as we broke the lows, then we broke the highs, then we broke the lows, and we expected that drive. It was also the break of the 1 hour lows as we held resistance, and we were expecting this same move, hold of resistance, and wick up, drive down. Expecting this wick up and a drive down, but that's not what happened, man.
Nope.
That's gonna be a long trade. It's already a long trade. The goal was just to predict this candle. Well, this 4-hour candle, really, but it's trying to be out of here by now.
We might the whole 4 hours.
Yeah, no, if that happens, I mean, I'll leave this running. You guys, I'm not gonna leave the stream running. You guys see my position. I'm gonna leave a position running, and I'm gonna head off.
Yeah.
But what happens if it wins? What happens then? Does that like, hey, I closed half of my position in a loss, and then half? We'll call it a break even. We'll call it a wash.
More than your loss position, then I'll count it as a winner, you know?
We'll see. Hey Wix, what broker you use? I use the trader's domain. Dun dun dun.
So what's your thoughts on when you close half of your position, right? And then would you think it'd be a good idea to enter that half a position back at your entry point, so if it does break the lows, you have the full position back running?
No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna, cause I'm gonna be off the charts, and I really wouldn't be entering there, right? If like I was looking for a trade right now, I really wouldn't be entering there. I'm letting this rock for the 4 hours. It's a quarter position. Doesn't make sense for me to manage it because it's so small and it was based on the higher
Yeah.
time frame. I can't manage it anymore. Here, I'm gonna leave the higher time frame stop, but I can. But I'm also not gonna add a position once I get
Okay.
once we start breaking because that's just not a trade I would have been in general. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. They're good for you. I had to blow my account week then, right? That's what you said. But like last week should have been a blew your account week, not this week. Last week was the tough one. This week was
That's
more or
your
less.
account.
That was last week, dog.
That was the past. Can't change the past.
This 1 hour closing. Yeah. Wait, what the? Stop fucking moving. Yo. Yo. Hold on a second. Do me a favor. Don't hang on me right now. Park? Okay. We'll do park. Coming right up. Oh, he's back. Where's Nav? Is everyone off already? Hmm? Oh, use overtraders. Wait, half a win. Why? Because you didn't half enter? A half entry. Next day, I'm fast, but I don't do cheat. It's not about deleting the message. It's about banning the user. So when you get rid of the user, it deletes the message. This way they can't come back with that same name, I guess. Or maybe they can. I don't know. All right, regardless of what happens here, we're gonna call this at 11. Let's see how we close at 11. If this ends up hitting stops, we'll be 5-1. No, 4-1 this week. We had a 5-win streak, but this gonna get snapped here if we hit stops. And if it wins, then we'll call this I don't know, a wash because we closed partials at where was it? Right here, 1829.30. But it was just the message, yeah. But it is true. His name is the message, though. Like, delete it as much as you want. Like, he comes up with these burners and just change the name by a little bit, and that's his message. And very smart marketing. If you're naked HD, can't blame him. Doing what he's doing what he can within the parameters he's given, right? So can't hate on the grind. It is what it is. I think this song's been on repeat for fucking 15 days. See you out there praying on our downfall. Ain't gonna happen. Tell you this though, we're heading to stops if we get the 15 salary to go up. Right? We break these highs. It's clean right here. And we might get it with the, London's closing here. Might get this little last volume push. Hey, I don't believe you. I really don't believe you. Where were you yesterday? What happened? Yeah. It stops before we even get to 11. WTF.
They're in the shade right now. They maybe got too much water.
Yes, you're the man. Thank you. It's okay, ask her again. Alright, can we call it here? Yeah. Stops it. Stops it. Alright. 4-1 on the week. I'm up measly fucking 5% for the month. Bullshit. Should be at like fucking 12. Yeah, we're gonna call this a long ass stream. A win and a loss. 4-1 this week. Let's close it out. Strong tomorrow. Don't fucking over risk, over leverage. Go on Instagram or somewhere and talk shit, but don't over risk or over leverage on your account. We were at half risk. We closed another half. Broke 15 highs, so quarter risk hit full stops. Still ahead for the week, and let's keep the momentum going into next week when Don comes back. But let's get it. Yes, why are you yelling at me? No? All right, let me go. All right, I got my kids calling me. We'll be back tomorrow to close it out. I'll see you guys. Okay. All right, well, how can I help? Say bye. Say bye to the people. I'm going to go help you. Goodbye. Get the next one 5s, and 1 is good. Yes. All right, I'll see you guys.
Later.
Thank you for joining me. By the way, I forgot to say thank you. Thank you.